Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Trello to Jira using automation tools, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Trello account. Locate the board you want to update to Jira. Next, identify the cards and lists that need to be transferred. Ensure you have a Jira account set up and ready for integration. Visit the automation tool you will be using, such as Zapier or Automate.io. Create a new automation workflow. Select Trello as your trigger app. Choose the trigger event that best suits your needs, such as card move to list. Connect your Trello account by authenticating with your credential. Select the specific board where the trigger event will occur. Next, configure any filters or additional settings as required. Now, add an action step by selecting Jira as the action app. Choose the action event that corresponds to your Trello trigger, like Create Issue. Authenticate your Jira account by providing the necessary. Select the specific project in Jira where you want the new issues to be created. Map the fields from Trello to Jira, ensuring essential data is transferred accurately. Test the automation to ensure data flows correctly from Trello to Jira. Review the results of the test for any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, activate the automation workflow. Monitor the initial transfers to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Adjust the automation settings as needed based on your workflow requirements. Repeat these steps for any additional boards or lists that require updates to Jira. This process will streamline your project management, making transitions between tools seamless. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.